You're cruising down I-80, hauling 40 tons across the Midwest. Suddenly, you're faced with a choice that could define the future of your trucking career: the all-new Cummins X19 diesel engine or the legendary Kenworth semi-truck powered setup. Which one do you trust when everything, your livelihood, your fuel costs, even your ability to meet deadlines, hangs in the balance? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, we'll uncover hidden details, surprising performance facts, and the truth about the 2026 battle between Cummins and Kenworth. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end, because what I'm about to reveal could change the way you look at trucking forever. By the way, do you remember when trucks sounded like rolling thunder? Now, with 2026 technology, sometimes they purr quieter than your neighbor's lawnmower. Crazy, right? Act 2, the deep dive, Clash of the Titans. Let's start with the Cummins X19 diesel engine. This powerhouse isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in torque, efficiency, and emissions compliance. With a design focused on long-haul dominance, the X19 boasts cutting-edge turbocharging, smarter fuel injection, and advanced after-treatment systems. The result? Up to 20% more torque under heavy loads. Fuel savings that add up to thousands per year. And compliance with the strictest 2026 EPA standards. It's not just an engine, it's Cummins making a statement: the diesel era isn't over yet. But then, on the other side of the highway, we've got Kenworth. Known for reliability, durability, and driver-focused comfort, Kenworth trucks in 2026 are engineered to be more than just vehicles, they're rolling command centers. The brand is famous for pairing engines like Cummins with their trucks, but when you put the X19 inside a Kenworth, that's when things get interesting. Because here's the thing, an engine is only as good as the truck wrapped around it. And that's where Kenworth might just steal the spotlight. Kenworth Semi-Truck 2026 Breakdown. In 2026, Kenworth semi-trucks come loaded with next-gen driver assistance systems, AI-powered telematics, and redesigned aerodynamics. The goal? Save fuel, reduce drag, and make long-haul trucking safer than ever. Imagine having adaptive cruise control that actually predicts hills before you hit them. Or lane assist technology that keeps you steady when fatigue starts creeping in at mile 600. That's not science fiction, it's trucking in 2026. Now, let's connect the dots. When you combine the brute strength of the Cummins X19 with the refined engineering of a Kenworth semi, do you get the ultimate rig? Or is there still a catch? Quick thought: if your truck is smarter than your phone, does that mean it should also remind you to call your mom on the road? Because honestly, mine should. Here's where things get real. Truckers across the US face a pivotal choice in 2026. Do you prioritize raw engine performance, or do you trust the integrated truck platform that Kenworth has perfected for decades? The Cummins X19 promises unmatched power and efficiency, making it a game-changer for heavy hauls, mountainous terrain, and anyone who demands maximum torque. But Kenworth's 2026 lineup? That's about giving drivers an edge in comfort, safety, and long-term reliability. So which one wins? The truth is, it depends on you. If you live for raw pulling power and cutting-edge diesel engineering, the Cummins X19 might be your future. But if you want the perfect blend of smart tech, reliability, and driver-first design, Kenworth could be your best bet. But here's the twist: what happens when electric and hybrid trucking enters the battlefield in the next few years? Will the Cummins X19 and Kenworth 2026 rigs stand tall, or will they become the last great diesel legends before the industry shifts forever? That is a story for another video. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button, share this with a fellow trucker, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of diesel, trucking, and the road ahead. The battle of the Cummins X19 versus Kenworth isn't just about engines and trucks, it's about the future of American trucking.